Mohammed!
They all name Mohammed, sir.
Yes, of course. I must remember to use last names.
Hussein! God's sake. You!
Isn't that your brother?
Hussein!
Why is your brother voting?
It's not his fault, my leader. He is the campaign manager.
What? For who?
Mohammed Hussein!
Quiet! All right, everyone. Well, who's going to be the first?
I am.
Ah, very good. Very good. And what is your name, young man? Forget it. Mount up. Allahu Akbar.
What exactly did I volunteer for?
Messenger duty. Extra pay.
But, sir, this bicycle...
What's wrong?
Well, it looks kind of rickety. I don't know if it can get back up the hill.
I wouldn't worry about that.
Maybe if I take some of these bombs off.
No. It is a part of the uniform.
And it doesn't seem to have any brakes.
It's okay. Allah will stop you.
Of course.
Oh, yeah. Allah will stop me.
Jesus! You! Go get him!
I found the problem, sir. This idiot forgot to pull the firing. Don't you see? We have at least destroyed an infidel's car.
That was my car.